Luzon giant tortoise. Period era Pleistocene. Today many species of turtles and tortoises could also disappear forever because of habitat loss, the illegal pet trade, and excessive consumption for food and traditional medicine that have unproven health benefits. Cave lion. Period era late Pleistocene. Panthera ispelea, also known as the Eurasian cave lion, European cave lion, or steppe lion, is an extinct Panthera species that almost likely evolved in Europe after the third Cambrian interglacial stage, less than 600,000 years ago. Phylogenetic analysis of fossil bone sample revealed that it was highly distinct and genetically isolated from the modern lion Panthera leo, occurring in Africa and Asia, and species range from Western Europe to Eastern Virginia in North America, and was a prominent member of the Mount steppe flora. Caucasian mouse. Period era Holocene. The subspecies was quite common until the mid-19th century, when population began to decrease due to the overhunting. It became extinct sometime in the beginning of the 20th century. Elasmotherium. Period era Miocene and Pleistocene. Elasmotherium is an extinct genus of large rhinoceros endemic to Eritrea during late Miocene. Throughout the late Pleistocene, which the youngest reliable dates around 39 years ago, it was last surviving member of Elasterian, a distinctive group of rhinoceros separate from the group that contains living rhinocerotinate.
Caucasian wisent, period era Pleistocene. In the 1860s, the population still member about 2,000, but it was reduced only 500 to 600 in 1917, and only 250 in 1921. Local poaching continued. Finally, in 1927, the last three Caucasian wisent will kill. Only one Caucasian bison bull is now to have been kept in captivity.
Hokkaido wolf. Period era Holocene. It was exterminated in Hokkaido during the Meiji Restoration period, when American-style agricultural reform incorporated the use of strychnine lysate bits to kill livestock predators. Some taxonomists believe that it survived up until 1945 on the island of Sakhalin.